Hello, wonderful people. It's me, Tash the Hedgehog, and I'm back with another video. Today we're playing Superbox Siege Defense, and today I'm going to be showcasing Repair Titan Telescope, as well as showing you how to get him. So first, let's go to Sandbox mode. Yeah. So firstly, where is he? He's over here in tier 2, where you need 5 wins to get it. So you're going to scroll down to the Titans, and here he is. Repair Titan Telescope. And he requires the Astral Recovery Badge. And he costs 10,000 points. So yeah, let's go ahead and beat him. And yeah. So, as you can see down here, it says upgrade arm. So, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and grind by killing some large boxes. Copy the tool gun, get tool gun. And let's just spam. This might cause a lot of lag, but whatever, who cares? This has to be like my favorite character in the game. So let's just, here we have an ultra shoot ability. As you can see right here, it just shoots. Next we have the blast, which, oh my gosh, the lag. We can also fly by pressing double jump. We can also use an arm ability, but that only works when we have an arm. Let's use our ultra ability again to deal with these boxes. We also have a stomp. And we have core fire. So now that we have enough kills, let's upgrade our arm. Now we have the buzzsaw arm. So let's test this out on a giant box. And let's just, oh dang, that does like 150 damage. That's pretty OP. Let's spawn 2 more. And let's just use the arm ability. So yeah, we can slice and dice. I said slice and dice. So yeah. Let's spawn 2 more. And we actually need a bit of a distance, because how long range the arm is. So now we can use our ability on it, and it basically shreds them. We may need a bigger box, but who cares? Stop lasering me. Oh, he's dead. So let's just, yeah. Now let's upgrade our arm again, and we have the gravity gun on. So let's go ahead and spawn a bunch of large boxes. I'm literally spamming my screen. Now we're going to use the arm and just grab them all. And just stomp them. They aren't dying because of the lag. Come on, stomp. Alright. Oh my gosh, the lag. So now we can upgrade our arm again to the rocket arm. So let's go ahead and spawn in a bunch. So now, you have to actually click on where you want to shoot for some reason. It doesn't auto shoot. So let's spawn a few more. And let's select the rocket arm. And boom! Now we can upgrade to our next arm. The acid arm. So yeah, let's spawn a few boxes. And let's just shoot them with our acid bomb. Boom. I say we need to upgrade our boxes that we spawned, so we're going to use giant boxes again. Now, let's spray them with acid. They literally get melted, which is pretty realistic if it's acid. So yeah, next you need 230 kills, so yeah, I'm just gonna grind on some giant boxes. That was real easy. I'm gonna spawn a bunch more. Let's hit him with the good old acid. Acid in the face. Now we almost have enough kills, so we just need to spawn a few more. Yeah, a few more. And just melt them. Melt them. Now, in my opinion, the acid arm isn't very good. So, yeah, let's just finish on with the ultra shoot. And we haven't really used core fire on an enemy yet, so let's go ahead and use some core fire. And hit him with the good old, yeah, just disintegrate him. Even though that completely missed. Yeah, let's just finish him off. That did not shoot where I wanted it to. Dang, they did a lot of damage to me. I just missed the. Now we can upgrade our arm to the Astro Detainer arm. As you can see, we have an energy bar, just like the Gravitron UFO box. So let's upgrade to Supreme. So now they will shoot lasers, and basically you can absorb their energy by using your arm ability. So now all you gotta do is click on the Gravitron arm that was banned from the world. Click on it and you have a bunch of new abilities. So my personal favorites are the Gravitron Laser and the Gravitron Hit. So let's go ahead and finish them with the good old laser. And let's spawn a few more. Yeah, a few more. That will definitely max out my energy. Like, they really max out my energy. So yeah, let's just hit them with the good old swing. And melt them with the laser. So, yeah. Then the other abilities are the Gravitron Orb and the Gravitron that grab. So let's just go ahead and spawn a few more. And wait for them to laser. And let's get all that energy. They really did just max out my energy. Let's just not talk about my health. Let's just grab them, because why not? Oh, I'm too far. Gravitron Orb! Get him! Gravitron... Grab! Are you kidding me? I'm back. I totally didn't lose. So, yeah. That's pretty much all of his abilities. So, now, how do you get him? So, in order to get him, you either go to endless or hardless or endless or endless hard. I'd recommend going to endless hard because the box you need to kill spawns more frequently there. But what you're looking for is the Gravitron UFO box. After you defeat him, you need to use his arm, and his arm. He drops an arm, and it gives you the badge. He spawns on either wave 25 or wave 30, or wave 31, something like that. But yeah, I will see you when he spawns. Okay, so I can't seem to get to wave 25 or 30 without losing my patience. So we're just going to spawn him here. But there is one thing I must note. You cannot get the badge with Sandbox. You used to be able to, but you can't anymore. So yeah, let me just go ahead and get the Astro Detainer arm, and then I will add my Gravitron arm again. But yeah, basically all you need to do to get the badge is go to endless hard mode, get to wave 25 or 30, and the Gravitron UFO box will spawn, and all you need to do is kill him and grab his arm he drops. Why do you already have like half energy? So yeah, I'll be back when So yeah, I'd recommend beating him with a friend because not even I can beat him alone. I mean, I could use Ultra Titan Saw Blade, but I don't really feel like it. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. So yeah, now you know what Repair Titan Telescope does and how to get him. So yeah, once the Gravitron UFO box drops his arm, you just need to use it, and yeah. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.